Hello, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we will be covering the timer command, which is part of the basic conditions list. Now, this command can be very useful when you're trying to find out how long different parts of your project are running. For example, here we have a project where the robot is drawing a square. So let's say we want to find out how long each one of these squares is taking the robot to draw. So we can go ahead and click add before, add a timer at the very beginning, and add a timer at the very end. And we can name this timer whatever we want. We can name it start, and name this one end. So now let's run this project and see what happens. Initialize the robot, start. As you can see here, the robot is drawing a square. And let's see how long each square is taking. So it's giving you the time for every single one of these timers. So the start time, it started at 0.082 seconds, and it ended at 1.893 seconds since we started the project. And we're getting the start and end for every single time this code runs, because it is in a loop. So let's say we want to find out the time between the end and the start. What we can do, we click start, and then we click end. Now we see the interval between this end and the start. So the first click is the initial time, and then you click the final time, and then you'll see the interval time between the start and the end. So you can see here, 2.394 seconds. Let's say we want to look at this start and this end. 2.39, 2.386. So as you can see, each variation of the loop, the time interval is roughly the same, 2.39 seconds. And however, if we want to look at the end, between end and the start, there's essentially no time, because between the end and the start, there's no commands. So that's why the time interval is 0.001. So that is all. That is how you can utilize the timer command to help you see how long your projects or different parts of your projects are taking.